What's up, guys? Welcome back to my beauty and fashion channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, I'm super excited for today's video because my mom sent me a gift, and baby, it's some Versace.
Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati. This is a gated community. Please get the fuck up the property.
Alright guys, I had to play it. This is my Versace unboxing. Super excited. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. What did she get me? You guys, she got me the most beautiful Versace robe. She got me the light pink. Ooh. Versace. Oh my god! So pretty! Mom, thank you! It's pink and then she got my name on it in gold? What? It's so beautiful. Y'all, I have not even wanted to wear it. It's light pink. I would never do my makeup with it on. This is my walking around the house cute robe. I love it so much. I saw this in the hot pink, you know, and I never really wanted it because I didn't really like the hot pink, and I didn't like the, I guess, the black and gold. Like, I don't know, it just wasn't my style, but this light pink is. I love light pink. My mom's, I don't even know how she found this light pink color. It is beautiful. Comes with the Versace card in it. I was gonna say how much it was, but I don't know. Okay, so look at her Versace robe on my body. I must take this off and try it on. Shall we? Let's. All right, guys, this is the Versace robe on. I have to get some scissors to cut this off. Harlem, you like mommy's robe? Ooh. So it is so cute. Oh my god, I love the pink. I'm a pink girl. Let me know in the comment section, are you a pink girl? Do you see why I don't and wouldn't do my makeup in this? Like, it's too cute. I've just had it hanging in my closet because I'm like, I don't want to mess it up, but it's so cute. Let me show you the back. Move my hair. Okay, Miss Koriyan. Miss Koriyan. So freaking cute. Let me see this way. I love it. I absolutely love my robe. She is a gorgeous one. And my customization back here, top tier. I just had to come and do this unboxing and show you guys what my mom got me. I am definitely gonna wear more. Not doing makeup, but definitely around the hair. Like, I feel like I just have to be fresh out the shower to wear this, because I'm gonna be so mad when I get something on it. I love it. Look at me, I'm like, oh, did I get makeup on it? Tell them hi. Come tell them hi then. You just want to play. You just want to play. You just want to play. Tell the girls hi. Oh, God. Tell the girls hi, Harlem. Alright guys, so this was my Versace robe unboxing. Let me know in the comment section if the Versace robe has been on your checklist to get, or if you already have it. I think that I just didn't know they had this color because it wasn't on my list, but I'm happy to have it. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm gonna be wearing this more. Bye.
Let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah.